Hi, it's Lisa Harris with RE/MAX Center, Certified Luxury Home Marketing Specialist, and we're at our newest listing in Grandview Estates in beautiful Flowery Branch, Georgia. We're just minutes to Lake Lanier, I-985, the Atlanta Falcons training complex, and so much more. This is Grandview Estates. This is a swim and tennis community where all of the lots are nice and private. This one is 0.8 acres and it's nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac, and it actually backs up to the woods. So it really would be perfect if you were looking to put in a pool or you just wanted your privacy. It is perfectly decorated. Wait till you see the inside. It is so wonderful. But hey, don't take it from me. Take it from Romantic Homes magazine. It was actually featured on the cover page, and it has a 15-page spread to go with it. So if you're interested in seeing more pictures on the inside, just let me know. I would love to forward this over to you. Or if you want to be the first inside this beautiful home, just let me know. We're here to help you, and we'll see you soon in Grandview Estates in Flowery Branch, Georgia.